Hello, this is Millie Borrero, a needlework artisan. I'm responding to the request of several friends to create a virtual workshop on how to make soles, lace suns. In this video tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to make the mesh of a basic 18-pin sun. To make this sun, we need the following materials: a small cushion, stainless steel pins, mercerized cotton thread, size 12 or 20, a measuring tape, sharp scissors, a threader, and a needle. And a cardboard pattern with 18 marked points, and fix it with pins in the corners. We can use the same cushion for several designs. That's why I use a cardboard pattern. The first thing we'll do is place the pattern on the cushion. Next, place the pins in the marked points. Place a guide pin 1.5 inches from pin number 1. We'll place the pins tilted at 45 degrees. Once the pins are placed, we start weaving. Wrap it 3 times around the guide pin. Pass the thread to the right of pin 10 and back up the left of pin 1. Continue toward pin 8, moving down and up. We make a full turn around all the pins. When reaching pin number 11, bring the threads down toward the center. We make a cross and hold it with our fingers. Pass the thread twice and tighten it at the center. Cut the excess thread, leaving a 1/4 inch. Measure approximately 30 inches from the center. Thread the needle using the threader. To gather the loose threads. Insert from the left of pin 1 and exit from the right of pin 10. We begin the loops, lazadas, and pull the thread. The threads now have the proper tension. The sun is ready to begin stitching. See you soon in the next video tutorial.